actually.
Right before Halloween.
Two different ways. You got so many photos.
Oh, maybe
You can choose as many as you want to. So, you
100 photos, right?
yeah, 100 photos.
I can claim it now at once
Of course.
so that we can. Oh, if we will buy GoPro now, you will give me also this? No.
Not with the GoPro. We can see what we can do.
Today is his birthday.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Happy birthday.
give his GoPro.
Okay, he wants GoPro. Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I can do this. Oh, I went down. See my last name?
You need a new phone to put photos in there as well. That's so many photos.
Maybe next time I will bring only the memory card
Yeah.
and save the photos that I want
Yeah, the
to
GoPro,
bring.
GoPro camera is actually very good. It's actually got very good quality.
GoPro 10. Because I saw also the it speaks on the internet and GoPro 10 it says the GoPro 9 Hero GoPro 9 the accessories of GoPro Hero 9 also
Fits on
changes
that.
to GoPro 10.
Yeah. Okay, so these are all your photos. So all you do is, so see if these are the photos you don't want it, you go to the next page. So see what do you want to print. Okay, so you go, do you want to print these? No. You go, you keep going next, and whichever photo you guess you want to print this photo, you go +1. Okay, so you can choose that.
Thank you.
And do you want to do your GoPro now or?
After this maybe.
Okay, no problem, because I can check it with maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please, thank you.
Marunong ka naman yan.
So, we've got a little process. Photos is good. Photos, and it'll ask me.
Galing na.
Galing nga, sabihin mo sa ilang ito.
Yan po, libre lang po yan.
You have to go pull it up and wait.
lang nung bumili kami ng camera. Mapaprint po kami, libre lang.
Ang experience dyan.
Experience ko gumamit nito. Tapos mag-print na ako gumagawa. Tapos it's true.
Half hours later. A few inches later. Day 2. Day 3. Day 4. A few moments later. 1 eternity later. 3 days later. 12 seconds later. 3:28 a.m. 3 weeks later. Many months later. So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one. Tomorrow.